Delta can be displayed in various ways, including in the subchart. One way to display it is with the delta histogram. Delta histograms can offer you a comprehensive initial overview. This is primarily because right before intraday trend reversals, you can often observe significant bursts of extreme delta activity. Here, for example, we see an initial upward movement. The price then makes a slight retracement. During this, you can see increased delta activity. Following those events, we see a significant and powerful upward trend in light sweet crude oil. Observing these highly significant and extreme spikes in the delta histogram at the very final stages of price movements often serves as a clear signal that the current trend is ending or a trend reversal is very likely to take place shortly in the market. Delta can also be displayed in the subchart as a cumulative delta curve. This specific curve sums up all of the individual delta activity recorded during a single full trading day. Here we see another detailed chart of light sweet crude oil during the busy European morning trading session. On the left side of the screen, you can clearly see an almost identical progression of the underlying price action and the cumulative delta curve. After that, the price rises a bit, but delta falls. Once this specific divergence had finally been resolved, a powerful and sustained upward trend immediately began to take shape.